Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I'll share festive makeup look part 3 and this is the last part of this festive makeup series. So guys, today I'll create a bright, glowy and dewy makeup look. You guys please watch this video till the end that you can create this look exactly. Who are new in my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell sign just next to it. You can share my videos with all of your friends. Also, you can follow me guys on Facebook and Instagram. Now, let's start this video. I have applied this color primer. Here I have two options of concealer. So I'm thinking today I'll use this one. Let's try it. As I'm creating a bright, glowy and dewy makeup look, so with this Maybelline foundation, I'll mix this glow illuminator. On this white beauty blender, I'm taking both of this. Done. Now I'll apply eyeshadow. I'll use this palette for my crease line. I'll pick this color. Now I'll pick this color. From this palette, now I'll pick this color and I'm applying it on my middle eyelid. Now I'll apply eyeliner, then mascara. I have applied mascara and liner. I forgot to apply this color on my lower lash line. So now I'll apply this. I'll contour now from this palette. Contouring is done and now I'll apply blush. Today I'll pick this color. Now I'll apply highlighter. Now I'll apply lipstick. And now I'll apply this lip liner. I hope you have found this video helpful. If yes, then please keep one like to this video. You can share my videos with all of your friends. You can comment me guys in the comment section. I'll come with a new video. Till then, stay happy and blessed. Love you all. Bye-bye. Bye.